what's up, y'all? It's me, Randy. Hey, have y'all ever heard of that snack crate thing where they send you all those cool snacks from all those different countries? Well, I ain't got the money for that right now, but I got the bootleg. Check it out! Real crate with snacks! We're gonna uncrate this. Come on, let's have some fun! Seems a little bit unnecessary. Oh, bubble wrap! Keep things safe. Oh, we got a note here. Let me get my glasses. All right, hold on one second. It says, thank you for choosing Real Crate with Snacks. You're welcome. We handpicked these special treats from 5 different dollar stores. We hope you enjoy. Well, I guess that's why it's so cheap. Let's go ahead and start out with the drink. This is a Manzanita Shawl, apple flavored. No fizz, okay. That is delicious. Real Crate Snacks crate. You are all right in my book. Beef jerky? Beef jerky? Real Crate Snack crate? Oh my God. This is flavored Szechuan peppercorn. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh man, you crate snacker packer. That is delicious. All right, next we got churro flavored popcorn sprinkled with sugar and cinnamon. I love sugar. Oh my God. This is literally the best popcorn I have ever had in my whole entire life. Thank you so much, Crackle Shackle Crate. Thank you. What the heck? Ocean Snack dried roasted seaweed. I mean, okay, I guess. It's wild. Let's see. What's this? Deviled ham spread? Why has it got to be different colors from the top to... Wild caught sardines in Louisiana hot sauce. Oh my God. That is a huge sardine. Oh, it's 2 of them. No. All right, let's see what we got. Smoked oysters. Oh my God, look at that. I'm seeing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it though. What the? Wait till I get my paycheck in a couple weeks, and then I'm gonna get the real thing. Snack crate. Hey, Snack crate, if you're watching this, Brandy loves trying snacks. I love y'all with all my heart. Randy, over and out.